and but there were few minor things, uh,
Mm-hmm.
like in the start you introduced yourself, and you made me the agenda, very clearly told me the agenda, but you didn't ask me, do you want anybody else with you, or should I start with you?
No,
You should
okay,
have asked
okay,
for some attendant. And the second
okay.
thing was that the role player was so much depressed. She was a young girl of 14 years old girl, and who has
Mm-hmm.
gone through the internet, and she is telling that she has an access to internet, and she's trying to google out the things, and she was giving the impression that she has quite sufficient knowledge of the bone marrow biopsy, and she was asking the questions, the complication, the procedure before before the any starting from the doctor. So I think
Mm-hmm.
at that point, when the candidate was so much upset, you should start before starting the whole scenario. You should ask, is this okay? Is this time suitable for you to talk to you?
Mm-hmm.
uh,
So I'll just take permission before I start about
yes.
the bone marrow biopsy.
Yes, what I have learned from different meetings, that
Mm-hmm.
if the mother or the candidate is too much depressed, at least we should ask, is it suitable time to start?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And the second thing, when the second time told that I am very upset, and it will be very painful procedure, and I will not be able to move around. You said, although you answered very correctly, that it will not be a painful procedure. We will do the procedure in a controlled environment, and in a controlled way, so that it should not be painful for you. But you use the phrase not at all. We are not supposed to use this phrase not at all.
True.
You
True. That I
we have to
yes.
yes, you said no, no, it not at all.
Mm-hmm.
We have to say, I am afraid that you are too much worried, and the scenario is quite different. We will perform the whole procedure in controlled environment to prevent the infection, and also to prevent the pain of the procedure, rather
Mm-hmm. But
than saying not at all. Not at
how can
all.
we say that you will not feel the pain?
No, we can say that we will perform the whole procedure in a controlled environment to minimize the pain, and to reduce the transmission of the infection.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh, and the third thing is that when you told that we have quite expert team, and the medical team who perform the procedure, and they will perform the procedure in a manner so that infection is not will not be transmitted. I think at that point you can say that the whole area will be cleaned, and your body will be covered with a cloth, so that the only required part of the body will be exposed, and the rest part of the body will be covered, and the other precautionary measures will be taken. I think this can be added. Otherwise, it was not a mistake. This point, I think it. I want to say that
Mm-hmm.
it can be
So
added.
we want to explain the procedure and how they will
Clean and
prevent
drape.
the
Clean, what we do during the procedures, we do clean and drape. So I think
yes.
only a
Mm.
short sentence of this can be added. This was not a mistake. This is my opinion, that to
Adding point, adding. Maybe it
yes,
will get more
we can
marks.
add
Yes.
it. Yes.
Mm.
And the
Okay.
other thing, that you draw, you made a picture, and you offered for the leaflets and the website, and other thing, and the agenda and everything, rest of the things were very clear.
Okay. Okay. So anyone else has the comments regarding this communication?
Dr. Bakar, I will add few
Yes.
things as
Mm-hmm.
Dr. Fatma add, because this is you are going to as the this scenario is not telling that she want to ask in a private uh, like meeting. So she is 14 years old, but you should ask about attendees,
Mm-hmm.
because you are going to disclose about the procedure, and at the end maybe you need a consent. Yeah, this is the
But
first
what
thing.
about scenario? What about scenario? If this is mentioned that she's alone, her mother is went through, and she want to address you,
You can
even
you
though
can
we
ask,
have to.
because her voice was like she's very depressed. You should ask
Yes.
about should we wait or we should
Mhm.
start, and is
Okay.
it a suitable time for you, like this.
Okay.
The other thing, as I was counting the time, you come to the agenda almost 2.5 minutes, and even
Mhm.
you use that we are going to do a procedure called bone marrow. You stop there. You did not complete bone marrow biopsy, and what is this? You should ask about the prior knowledge. As she said, I know this
Mhm.
one. That's great. You should appreciate at that time. That's great that you have knowledge. Let me explain furthermore. It will be easy
Mhm.
to understand. Then one more thing, you used 3 times a word that it will tell uh, what's going on there, what's going on there. So
Mhm.
before you used the word that bone marrow is the factory where the cells are cells making factory, like this you have used, but you use this word at the time of 5 minutes and almost 45 seconds, more than 45 seconds, 5 minutes more than
Mhm.
45 seconds. So in the beginning you should start with that this is bone marrow is the part inside the bone where the cells are uh, formed and they get matured. So we want to know
Mhm.
what's going on there. And then she asked you that you totally missed the question. She asked you, why don't you go for just a blood and take blood? And I don't want this is painful or something extensive procedure. So you missed this question. You did not answer. You should answer about this that the cells will not tell us the exact uh, 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 abnormality what's going behind this condition. As I told you, bone marrow is the place where the cells are formed, and it will tell us that about the cells, and the same time it will tell us the best treatment options for this diagnosis, because bone marrow is not doing only for the diagnosis, they are also doing this the best treatment options. So you should tell this one.
Treatment, yeah, treatment. I did not
Yeah.
tell, but I think I address about this blood and the difference between blood and bone
No, you did not. I was not listening.
marrow.
This question
Mhm.
did not answer. You answer other question. At the same time, she asked you two questions. Actually, you forget one.
Yes, yeah. Two questions
Yeah,
simultaneously
yeah.
she asked.
Answer one
Mhm.
question and other you forget. Then you should tell that. It will tell us to decide what is the best treatment option for you. So it is the best
Mhm.
option. Best thing. It is best in the interest of your health.
Okay, right. Okay, thank you.
These
Anyone
few things.
else?
Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Wakar. I believe it was
Waislam Bhatti sir.
yeah, good discussion and good sharing knowledge. Actually,
Thank you.
there is something to explain. You
Yes,
use
please.
word injection, will give injection. We
Mhm.
are giving you are using the needle, your tube for the bone marrow biopsy rather
Oh,
than
okay.
injection.
Yeah,
I'm
needle.
correct.
Right.
Yeah,
Needle,
use
yes,
word
needle is appropriate.
because yeah. So sometimes we are using word we are not having in the what we are saying. Sometimes it's slip of
Right.
tongue. Yeah.
Mm.
And secondly, you use the word aseptic. It's a jargon for sure. Aseptic measure,
Mhm.
right?
Yes, right. Mm.
So as Dr. Hale told you that you haven't explained what is bone marrow. You should tell bone marrow is a place inside the bone
Mm.
for the formation of cells and old cell to remove. Sometimes these things go wrong.
Okay, correct.
Okay,
One,
and
uh, you complete?
let me
Okay,
explain.
complete.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes things go wrong. In order to know what is the problem, where is the problem. So we will do the we will do this procedure that is called biopsy. Okay, we will use some needle to take cell from inside the bone, and we will look under the microscope. It will help in diagnosis and also in treatment.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, that's the thing. Which we discussed. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, one more thing.
I'm
When
just coming.
she asked you,
When you started, you should have told that as your parents are not there, should I start? It's okay for you. As other people mentioned this thing, but if you tell like that, she's alone. Okay, it's comfortable for you. Should we discuss what we are going to do? That will make
But it
more
is not better
evaluation.
that we discussed earlier. Dr. Fatma said we will ask her that do you want anyone with you? That is, I think, much better.
If she's alone, first of all, she's alone. She's a patient. So you should tell her, should I start? Because as your parents are not here, okay.
for this,
So
Dr. Irfan, for this I have little bit, as if she's 14 years old, this can be a
yeah,
kind of conflict between the two.
okay.
As
Well,
she may tell you that
it's
I am young, doctor. Why are you waiting for my parents?
yes,
So
you are
the
right.
simple one
No.
say,
No. It's
do you
the
want
thing is
anyone
that
to be with you?
this
Yeah,
also
that
be
is appropriate, I
good.
think.
No, big breaking news. We are suspecting leukemia for this patient.
No, that's okay. But which I am saying that why should we use the word conflicting word for the young woman, a young man?
What?
Just
Okay,
ask
yeah, you are right.
you want
Okay, yeah, right. Acceptable.
anyone to be attend.
So you are right. At the end of the discussion, you should say, can you give the consent for the bone marrow? So it's okay for you.
No, it's not the consent actually.
Consent
This is
you
not
This
don't
is not
need.
the
consent.
consent. No.
Uh-huh.
This is only information.
This is on information, not consent.
But okay. But eventually,
Okay.
our
Consent is
main purpose.
different. It is there at the end of this, in the consent section. There is.
Okay.
One more
Okay.
thing,
Okay.
Dr. Vikas.
Yes, doctor.
Then when she asked, she told you that doctor, you are giving me the first injection to numb my area, and then you are giving the another injection to take this spongy tissue. So they are not using now this injection. They are using the cream only.
Amla
For
cream. Amla.
amla cream for numbing of the skins. They are using.
But
But also there
some
is an option, general anesthesia. They have an
yeah,
option of general anesthesia. So
can be local, can be general also.
Yeah, can be
Depends.
general anesthesia,
if
can
we
be local.
say the amla, if we say the local cream, and she go there, and they are saying no, we will give you general anesthesia. So better to keep it in between.
But you can say there's an option. Okay. Yeah. No, we cannot say option. This is not a. It's depend upon the situation. What is best for
Depend
you?
upon the tertiary care hospital.
Yeah.
These are the options we have. Okay. So
Yeah.
anyone else has the comment?
I did not hear actually. I joined late, so I don't have idea about like what you spoke before. But
Okay, good. So
I think Dr. Bhatti, we can also say like bone marrow is the factory which produces the blood cells, and your illness we are suspecting a probable condition like blood malignancy. So it is very essential to do this procedure and check the cells which is produced in the bone marrow or which is produced in the bone factory.
no, don't use the malignancy word, I think.
Then we can say blood cancer. We are suspecting this condition.
No, not use blood cancer. Don't use anything.
So what?
Because already she is confused. We can say what is going on, why you are getting an recurrent infection, or
Just
you have
say
low
that
hemoglobin.
inside the bone where the cells are formed and matured, and we just want to know what happened there. What is the abnormality at that place? Simply, don't go for cancer or something.
Oh, but
if she will ask you,
the stem of the
if she will
scenario,
ask you,
you see the stem of scenario. It's very clearly written, has been Louis, 14-year-old girl, who has been admitted with a probable diagnosis of acute lymphoblastic leukemia. What does it mean?
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
probable.
is
It's
right,
still,
that she might ask you, because we have done this before in this scenario, and that time role player asked that, doctor, I am having leukemia, I am having blood
yes.
cancer. So he might can ask you. So for this you should say that we are thinking that up till now there is no confirmation. So for that reason we want to check these cells to confirm our diagnosis. Just like this,
No, no,
simple word.
my question, like if I am a role player, I will ask you, doctor, why you want to puncture my bone? What you are suspecting? What is wrong with my bone? You can check the blood test.
Yeah, for this you will tell that the blood in the blood we can check on the cells, but we want to check the place where cells are formed. We want to check what's abnormality has been occurred there.
Yes, doctor, but why
What's
you
going
want
on?
to, what's abnormality you are looking for? What's wrong with my bone? Is there something wrong with my blood? Is there something wrong with my bone? So
For this you can say that as we are thinking that might be the cells are making in a wrong way, the wrong way. So for to confirm our diagnose, we want to check this bone marrow, and it will tell us the level of the treatment also at the same time.
Well,
So it is best in the interest of
Dr.
our
Rohit, first of
diagnosis.
all, you should understand what is our understanding about the condition. She knows something about her condition, why she is going for this. She must be
Yeah,
knowing
you can
all
ask.
these. Yeah, start should be like that. What has been told you up till now, okay?
Yeah,
Okay, what is your expectation for this meeting? You can say, here, go like this. Then you explain, we are planning bone marrow biopsy. I will explain to you what is this. Okay. So she will ask questions. Why you are doing? I'm scared of all these things. As she told that I read from the internet, this is very invasive procedure, painful. So you have to relieve her exactly. Basic purpose for this communication, I believe, is like that. So as we discuss this
then
bone marrow
you
Okay,
can.
and bone
so we
marrow,
will,
yeah,
Yes.
uh, okay, okay. So I think it's a lot of discussion on one case. So we will move for another one. And this is communication, but it's better. I will reconnect because already there are, I think, 5-6 minutes remaining. It's connected. So I'll reconnect. Dr. Fatma is a candidate. Dr. Rafat is the role player in this case. Okay.
Okay.